I say it very often, as well as very good. Let's see here. So we're gonna do some palpation here. All right, we're gonna have some upper cervical restriction right in here. Relax here.
Oh!
Okay.
Sorry.
Toe still wiggling?
Oh, yeah.
All right, good, you're good. Okay. Right there. Feel how that kind of wants to pull the shoulder up with it?
Uh-huh.
Okay, we're gonna adjust that one as well too.
Okay. Oh!
Nice. Okay.
Good Lord.
Just your drive to work car, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So you work out, you put some strain on your body.
Mm-hmm.
Using this type of care is gonna help you maintain strength, mobility, range of motion.
Good. I need that.
All right, let's see here. I'm gonna get some adjustments right in through here.
Okay.
Here's some extension right in here. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale.
Oh!
You all right?
Yeah.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we got some big movement in there, huh?
Yeah. Just a little bit.
Relax right here. Nice, okay. Same thing right over here. Good. We'll try to make it quick here. Breathe in. All the way out. Good. One more here. Good. There it is. A range of motion into that segment, okay? Relax your arm right here for me. Good. Breathe in. All the way out. Good. Okay.